How do you measure the effectiveness of testimonial videos? Now this can be a tricky one because there are multiple ways to do it. Well, let's start with the first 3 steps. The first step is to define your key performance indicators. And that starts with knowing what you want your videos to do. Do you want them to increase sales, enhance your brand awareness, or is it something else? Once you know those, now you have something to start tracking. And that leads us to number 2, having the right tools to track your videos and those KPIs. The first one is Google Analytics. The second one are video hosting platforms such as Wistia, Vimeo, or Voomly. You can even throw YouTube in there as well. Number 3, determining the value of one testimonial video. The easiest way to do that is to go to ChatGPT and enter the values from this prompt. This will help give you a very basic idea of the value of one testimonial video. And once you complete these 3 steps, you're going to be on the right track to determining the true impact and ROI of your videos. But there are other steps to help determine the real ROI and impact. And there's a free resource that'll actually walk you through all of it. And if you want that free resource, just go to the URL that you'll see on the next slide.